The 2026 Ford Motorhome is here, and it's redefining the way we experience road trips, van life, and long-term travel. Designed for both adventure seekers and full-time travelers, this next-generation motorhome combines Ford's legendary reliability with cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most exciting vehicles in the RV market. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway vehicle or a full-time home on wheels, Ford has built something that caters to a wide range of travelers. At first glance, the 2026 Ford Motorhome boasts a bold, aerodynamic design that improves fuel efficiency while maintaining a rugged, off-road-ready look. With a reinforced chassis and improved suspension, it's built to handle highways, backroads, and even off-grid locations. The new design also prioritizes better insulation, ensuring comfort in both extreme heat and cold. This is a game changer for those who want to travel year-round without worrying about drastic weather conditions affecting their journey. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple engine options, including a powerful yet fuel-efficient hybrid drivetrain and an all-electric variant designed for eco-conscious travelers. The electric model features an extended battery range, allowing for long-distance travel with fast-charging capabilities. Ford's partnership with charging networks ensures easy access to charging stations, making electric RV travel more practical than ever. For those who prefer traditional fuel options, the hybrid model provides impressive mileage without sacrificing power, making it perfect for towing additional gear or even a secondary vehicle. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Ford Motorhome is where innovation truly shines. The layout is designed to maximize space while maintaining a luxurious feel. High-quality materials, smart storage solutions, and ergonomic design create a living space that feels both functional and comfortable. The open floor plan allows for seamless movement, whether you're cooking, working, or relaxing. With modular furniture, you can customize the space to fit your needs, whether that's adding more seating, increasing sleeping areas, or creating a workspace for remote jobs. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, including an energy-efficient induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and a convection oven. With plenty of counter space and an upgraded water filtration system, meal prep becomes easier no matter where you're parked. The Smart Control panel allows you to monitor water levels, battery life, and climate control with just a touch of a button, making off-grid living more manageable. Sleeping arrangements in the 2026 Ford Motorhome cater to different needs, whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family. The main sleeping area features a memory foam mattress with adjustable firmness settings, while convertible seating areas can transform into additional sleeping spaces. For those who need extra privacy, the motorhome includes a partition system that allows separate living spaces, making it ideal for those who work on the road. The bathroom has also received a major upgrade, featuring a spacious shower, a water-saving toilet, and a vanity with ample storage. The improved ventilation system ensures a comfortable experience, even in hot or humid conditions. Ford has also included a built-in gray water recycling system, allowing for longer trips without needing frequent refills or dumps. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Ford Motorhome, with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes voice commands, touchscreen controls, and seamless smartphone integration. The vehicle is also equipped with 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced driver assist system to make maneuvering easier. Whether you're driving through city streets or reversing into a tight campsite, Ford understands the need for connectivity on the road, so the motorhome includes a high-speed Wi-Fi system with satellite support. This ensures you stay connected whether you're working remotely, streaming content, or keeping in touch with family and friends. Multiple USB-C and wireless charging ports are strategically placed throughout the interior, so you never have to worrying about running out of power. For those who love off-grid adventures, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is equipped with a high-capacity solar panel system paired with a lithium battery bank that can power all your essentials without needing to rely on hookups. The roof is also designed to accommodate extra storage or additional solar panels for extended trips. With an upgraded all-wheel drive system, skid plates, and off-road tires, this motorhome can handle rugged terrains with ease, making boondocking and dispersed camping more accessible than ever. Security is another area where Ford has made significant improvements. The motorhome features a biometric entry system, remote monitoring via a mobile app, and an alarm system that alerts you to any unusual